Well, good morning, everyone. I'm out here doing chores this morning. It's a nice, fairly cool yet breezy morning. It ain't cold by any means, but it's probably in the low 70s right now. But I'm out here doing chores. I had to go back in the house and grab my light. I got something to show you. Before I do that, I'll tell you about a storm that come through last night. My wife got off work and she was stopped to get fuel, and the storm passed through and we got a bunch of hail damage to our newer car, our Nissan Kicks. Broke out a tail light, a reflective piece on the back hatch lid, and a lot of hail dents. So she went to the body shop this morning to get an estimate already on that. So called our insurance company, so we're getting that thing taken care of. But when I come out here to do chores, now that I told you that story, I got quite a surprise. Well, it wasn't too big of a surprise, but I'll show you what I'm talking about here in a minute. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. The sow had her babies. She had 10, and as of right now they're all doing really good. And give you a quick update on that first sow that had 13. She's down to 9 babies, but they're all doing quite well. I had to put one down due to it had an injury, and then I'm just assuming the other 3 she ate for whatever reason. But she has 9 healthy babies, 2 spotted ones. And if you notice this bunch of 10 from this sow, there's 1 spotted one and the rest are all black. That's because the sows themselves are crossed between American Guinea Hog and Idaho Pasture Pig. But anyhow, I'm gonna let you go. See y'all later, and don't forget I love you. Bye.